Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix ribbon not showing on Microsoft Excel. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The ribbon is a set of toolbar at the top of the window in Office program designed to help you quickly find the command that you need to complete the task. But what if you can't find the ribbon on your Microsoft Excel? As you can see, there's no ribbon. The ribbon has been disappeared from your Excel. How to fix it? Don't worry. It's so simple. So first, you can just tap on here. As you can see, there is a like icon ribbon display option. You can just tap on that, or you can just tap on here on the three dots on here, so the ribbon and the comment will be appear on your screen, but it will be disappear again. If you want to make it appear, you can just tap on the ribbon option icon on there. You can choose on show tab. If you choose on show tab, so the tab will be appear on your Excel. But if you want to show tab and comment, you can choose on show tab on comment. So the tab, the menu, and the comment will be appear like this permanently on your Microsoft Excel. It's so simple, right? So that is how to fix ribbon that's showing on Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!